TEAL is thrilled to announce that we'll be attending XPONENTIal next week. This is the ultimate event for advancing what's possible in unmanned systems. Are you struggling with unreliable connectivity and operational headaches with uncrewed systems and beyond visual line of sight drone operations? If so, we've got the solution you've been waiting for. Managing global connectivity shouldn't cost you time, money, or peace of mind. That's why we're excited to introduce you to our mission-critical connectivity platform, powered by our proprietary, US-built eSIM technology. If you're still relying on outdated connectivity solutions, there's a better way to keep your systems securely connected. Imagine that a BVLOS drone is delivering critical supplies, or maybe it's performing surveillance, maybe it's on a DoD mission and it loses connectivity. That's a big problem, because typically a drone needs to return to home or be grounded if it loses connectivity. High data autonomous use cases rely on always there, always on connectivity. But the problem is that traditional roaming solutions of the past just aren't delivering on their promises. At TEAL, we're helping our customers like you overcome common connectivity challenges by making it easy to connect your devices onto any global network over the air. At TEAL, we have more network operator agreements in place than any other platform. We're the only platform that can provide native core connectivity onto Tier 1 networks like AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, Rogers, 3-group solutions, as well as giving you access to connect onto carriers in 196 countries. Stop letting connectivity hold you back. Leading global drone companies already trust TEAL for seamless and consistent performance. From ensuring compliance with FAA regulations like GNSS tracking and return-to-home protocols to powering BVLOS drones with immediate access to connect onto multiple carriers in real time, TEAL provides reliability when and where it matters most. So, if always there and always on high-performance network connectivity is important for your operation, let's meet at XPONENTIal and let's explore how we can help your business. You can DM me or you can click the link in this post to book a meeting with me or with one of our experts today. Don't miss the opportunity to meet our team. At TEAL, we believe that connectivity shouldn't be a barrier, but a bridge to achieving your operational goals. We'll see you in Houston.